Hello guys, let's have a look at today's doubt. So the question is, marginal rate of transformation between two goods x and y is defined as. Option A is MRT equals to MCX by MCY. Option B is MRT is equal to MRS. Option C is MRT is equal to MRS is equal to PX by PY. While option D is none of the above. Of course, you can see the correct answer is option A. Now, let's first of all have a look at the meaning of marginal rate of transformation. So marginal rate of transformation is basically the fact that if you are trying to produce two goods, let's say X and Y, and you have only limited amount of resources. So the amount of resources that you exhaust in producing good X cannot be used for producing good Y, right? So there is always a trade-off. If you produce a certain amount of good X, you have to forego the production of certain amount of good Y because some amount of resources are utilized in production of good X, so that cannot be used for producing good Y. Now let's have a look at the definition first. So as you can see, the very first bullet point, the definition of MRTS is MRT, marginal rate of transformation, is the number of units of a good that must be foregone in order to create or attain 1 unit of another good. So it's simply like there are two options. Either you can play or you can study. If you invest 1 hour in playing, that 1 hour cannot be used to study, right? So that is what marginal rate of transformation is. Now let's have a look at this diagram. So there are two goods, X and Y. Alright. Now this is the MRT curve here. As you can see, marginal rate of transformation is not constant on this curve, while here in the second diagram it is a constant trade-off between X and Y. So if you produce this much of Y, then you can produce only this much of X. If you reduce the production of Y to this level, then you can produce more of X. While here you can see, if you produce this much of Y, then you can produce this much of X. But if you produce this much of Y, then you can produce a lot of X. So at this point, if you reduce the production of Y by little, you cannot increase the production of X by quite a lot. But here at this point, if you reduce the production of Y by just a little bit, you can see that there is a lot of increase in the production of X. So you see, this increase in X is only this much, while here the increase in X is quite a lot. So the rate of transformation is changing, while here it is always constant. This much reduction in Y leads to this much increase in X wherever you are on the line. Alright, so that is the main definition and the understanding of marginal rate of transformation. So here the correct option is A, which is marginal rate of transformation is equal to the ratio of marginal costs of production of the two goods, that is marginal cost of production of good X with respect to the marginal cost of production of good Y. So we take a ratio of the two, and that is what the marginal rate of transformation is. Hope your doubt is clear now. Thank you.